Hey guys, how to hide part of screenshot on iPhone. So first of all, take a screenshot, right? This is, for example, a screenshot. Now if you want to open up the the markup tool, right, you can hide parts by clicking the pencil, maybe to hide parts, right? Let's have an example. I want to use right here the pencil, and I can hide the part that I don't like about it. So if you want to add right here with the plus button, you can add text, sticker, description, signature, whatever it might be, to hide the basically the part that you don't like about the screenshot. You know what I mean? So basically tap the screenshot to preview to open the markup tool. Use the rectangle tool to cover the part that you want to hide. If the part that you want to hide is like, you can size it, or you can size it out. You could just make it small like this, or as much as you want. But if you want to have the full screen and you want to add some parts like left out parts, just go ahead and use the pencil or add the sticker, right? So let's put on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload.